Hello everyone, Professor Halsey here, and this is section 4.4 in our Zybook summits for CEIS150, and we're looking at is a versus has a relationship. I start with has a, because has a is that composition. It's what we're composed of, or the characteristics, or the attributes that compose what we're made of, or what the object is made of, or the class is made of, and therefore the object. Whereas is a relationship means I have directly inherited something from the class above me. All right. Here they're showing a very poor. It's actually doing exactly what they're describing, which is has a relationship, meaning a mother can have children. And you can see down here that it's not a derived class, neither is child, but the mother can have children, and in that could be list of child objects. But there's no inheritance involved. There's no is a relationship. And there's duplication here. So you have name, birth date, and down here you have name and birth date. Okay. Another way to organize it, and I'm not real jacked up about this way, it's a little bit better than the way before. We're using inheritance, and we first define a person class and give it name and birth date attributes, and then we can create a child that is a person, and therefore it gets name and birth date and then school name, and then we have a mother, which is based on person, and it inherits name and birth date, spouse name, and children. Okay, now I would tend to use the actual inheritance features of parents here and make the mother class based on person, and then make the child class based on mother. But as the programmer, that's your option, is how to organize your data as you're creating your application, and it's something you have to give a great deal of thought to make sure that you have the right relationships built. Okay. Pear is a fruit, so that would be inheritance. A house has a door, that would be composition. A dog has a owner, that would be composition. A mug is a cup, would be inheritance. Okay. Thank you for joining me. Come back for 4.5, testing your code.